Alright, so take number 10 or something. Too many cars driving by. So here's the rear bumper lip, the diffuser, whatever you want to call it. And I already did several spots. One there, one here. Let me show you what I use. So for this fix, you'll need a propane bottle with the nozzle or whatever they are, and a lighter. If you're fancy, you could have, the electric shock ones. But so yeah, you want to put on a rather low setting. And I guess we're already set up here. I'll just do it beside the one I already did. So right about there. So low setting, and you just go. You don't want to hold too long, obviously you'll melt it. So I'll just do this whole section. There's a little bit of wind, so. And just glide over it slowly. Don't stay in one spot too long. And that's about it. Very simple, very easy. Not much to it. And of course, I didn't fully degrease it or wash it. So you could definitely see the difference in it. Then here's the other spot. So if it's really white, it's major difference. It almost looks as if you threw some oil on it, but I think this will last a lot longer than oil. So hopefully this helps a lot of you guys out. Thanks for watching.